estás? Espero que estés muy bien. Bienvenido o bienvenida a esta lección. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be talking all about this little word, ya, in Spanish. I absolutely love this word. You're going to hear it a lot in Spanish, and sometimes it can be a little bit confusing for us because it can take on a bunch of different meanings, okay? The three most common ones being already, yet, and now, okay? Now, remember, in Spanish, a lot of the times, words will change based off of the context of the sentence, okay? So, depending on how I say something or what I'm talking about, ya might mean already, it might mean yet, or it might mean now. Or maybe it could be, already, or it could be yet, for example, okay? Now, before we go any further into the lesson, I would also like to know, the past few lessons I've worn my cowboy hat. Is that something that you'd like to see in every lesson? Is that something you don't want to see at all? Do you prefer just me and my normal hair? Leave me a comment down below letting me know. I'm curious to see what you think. So I think it might be kind of fun to have a unique thing where I wear the cowboy hat every time. Because let's be honest, how many times you get a Spanish lesson from a guy in a cowboy hat? Not every day. All right, so let's take a look at some examples. ¿Ya hiciste tu tarea? ¿Ya hiciste tu tarea? Can you translate that for me? ¿Ya hiciste tu tarea? Did you already do your homework? Okay, hiciste is the preterite tense, the past tense in the tu form. We're talking about you. Did you do your homework already? Okay, now notice how we could also say yet. Yet also works in this case. Did you do your homework yet? Or did you already do your homework? Now, the more and more you start to use this little word, ya, eventually you'll just kind of translate into your head what sounds the most natural and comfortable to you. So when I see this, I think of did you already do your homework? Whereas you might think, did you do your homework yet? Okay, so whatever feels more natural to you kind of when it comes to the translation there, okay? But this idea of ya is that did something already happen, okay? Ellos se han casado ya. Ellos se han casado ya. Have they gotten married yet? Or have they already gotten married? Okay? Notice how this little word now wouldn't make sense for the translation of ya. Okay? But we're going to see some examples where it does mean now or other things. Okay? Ellos se han casado ya. Ya hiciste tu tarea. All right, next. Ella ya no está. Se fue. Okay? Ella ya no está. Se fue. Okay? She's not here anymore. She left. Okay? Anymore. Okay, that's another translation that we can have. Anymore. Okay? While these three are kind of the most common and popular ones, we've also got kind of very similar ones. Remember, the idea of ya here is that something has happened and it's over with. Okay? Anymore, same idea, okay? Ella ya no está, se fue, okay? She is not here anymore, she left, okay? Next, ya no, okay? Not anymore, ya no. Hey, do you eat hamburgers? Ya no, like, not anymore. Okay, really simple. This is a really good little phrase to know, ya no. Okay? Next, this is a really good one. If you're ever at a party or some event, you're going to hear people saying this to you a lot. ¿Ya te vas? ¿Ya te vas? Are you leaving now? Or are you already leaving? Okay. Oh, ¿ya te vas? Sí, ya me voy. Ya me voy. Yes, I'm leaving now. Yes, I'm already leaving. Okay? ¿Ya te vas? Okay? Are you leaving now? Once again, now. Or are you leaving already? Okay? I'd say that when it comes to this little word, ya, most times it's kind of going to take on this translation of already. But like we've seen, it can also mean yet, now, and anymore. Okay? Ya no está, ya no. Ya te vas? Are you leaving already? Are you leaving now? Okay? Vámonos ya. Vámonos ya. Okay? Let's go now. Vámonos ya. Come on, let's go now. Okay? Ya. All right? Great. I hope you like my little smiley face here. All right, let's move on. All right, more examples. Ya voy. This is an awesome little phrase. Ya voy. Okay, now technically we would translate this into English as I am coming. hey, like if your mom calls you, this is like the most common example. If your friend calls you, someone calls you, hey, come on, what are you doing? Sí, ya voy. Okay, like I'm going, I'm coming. Okay, ya voy, which would literally translate to I am going now. Okay, I am going now. I go now. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, I'll be right there. Ya voy. Okay, like if I call my friend Luis, I'm like, hey, like where are you? Like I'm outside your house. He's like, sí, ya voy. Like I'm going. I'm coming. Ya sé, pero blah blah blah. Okay, ya sé, pero I know, but now ya can sometimes be used to place emphasis on something. Okay, to say sí, ya sé, like yes, I already know. Yes, I know already, but blah blah blah. Okay, ya sé. Okay, I know. Okay, you don't have to keep telling me. Ya sé. Okay. Ya basta. This is a good one to know. Someone's annoying you, you can say, hey, ya basta. Ya basta, por favor. Like, stop. Like, that's enough already. Okay? That's enough already. Okay? Knock it off is another way you could translate that. Knock it off. Okay? But literally, this would say, it's enough already. Okay? That's enough already. Okay? That's enough. Ya basta. Ya. Okay? Like, stop. Okay? Ya. Okay? This is a good one. Ya ves? Okay? Do you see? Like, let's say someone is scared of going on a roller coaster and they go on it with you and then afterwards they're like, hey, that wasn't that bad. And you're like, ya ves? Like, you see? It wasn't as bad as you thought. Ya ves? Okay, so literally translating to you already see. Do you already see? Do you see now? Ya ves? Do you see now? It wasn't that bad. Ya ves? No estuvo tan malo. Okay? Ya ves. Okay? This is a good one. Ya llegué. Ya llegué. Okay? I'm here. Or I arrived already. Okay? So once again, ya is this idea of something has already happened. Okay? And by using ya, we let our listener know, hey, this thing has already happened. Ya comí. Ya me bañé. Ya whatever. Okay? Ya llegué. Okay? I already arrived. Or I'm here. Okay? Let's say I arrive to my friend Luis's house. I'm going to pick him up. I call him. I say, oye, ya llegué. He goes, okay, cool. Ya voy. Okay? Oye, ya llegué. Ah, okay, órale. Ya voy. Ya voy. Okay? I'm coming. I'll be right there. Okay? And finally, I figured this would be an appropriate way to say that this lesson has ended. Ya se acabó la lección. Ya se acabó la lección. Okay? The lesson has ended. The lesson is over. Okay? So there you can see all of the different uses of ya. Remember, ya can take on multiple meanings. Already, yet, now, anymore. Okay? Just remember that ya is used to tell us, hey, something has already happened. Okay? Now, I recommend that you listen to some songs in Spanish so you're going to start hearing ya a lot. I feel like one of the very most common phrases in songs in Spanish that you're going to hear is ya no te quiero, which means I don't love you anymore. Very sad, but it's definitely very true. Ya no te quiero ver, I don't want to see you anymore. So there's lots of different uses of ya. And by listening to music in Spanish, you're definitely going to solidify your understanding of this little word. Bueno, muchas gracias por ver esta lección. Thanks so much for watching this lesson. Si te haya gustado, por favor, dale un like y también suscríbete ya para que veas más videos así. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. Adios!